Hi guys, these are the 5 examples with blanks. We fill in which, when, who, where, whose. Whose is a short form of who and his. Next, let's start. I hate children's. Children is people. So, who? I saw the car dash hit the girl. Car. Animal or thing. We use which. I saw the car which hit the girl. That is the man dash car is black. Man. Man. People. Car. Car. Man behind the car. So, whose? Next, I remember the day dash we first met. I remember the day. Day means time. So, when? I remember the day when we first met. That is the hospital dash I was born. Hospital. Place. So, where? That is the hospital where I was born. Do you like this video? Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye bye.